Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this lecture, we will talk about time series visualization. Means we will see how to visualize a time series data. Generally, there are four kinds of data visualization technique that was there for time series data. One is line plot and second one is area plot and bar plot and finally the heat maps. So these are all the four kinds of data visualization charts that will be commonly used for the time series analysis. So let's look into one by one and how to visualize the time series data in Python. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. In the upcoming videos, we are going to watch about the powerful visualizations on time series data like area plot, bar plot, heat maps, etc. So we are going to see all those things in this upcoming videos. Please find the description for the URLs below on the visualizations on time series data. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Data Science Anywhere for more videos and projects on data science. Thank you very much and happy learning.